Are you looking for the best RV gadgets on Amazon to make your life on the road easier and more comfortable? Whether you are a full-time nomad or a weekend warrior, having the right RV gadgets can transform your travel experience. In today's video, we are counting down 36 must-have RV gadgets on Amazon every driver should own. From essential safety gear to clever storage solutions, let's check out these game-changing RV gadgets. Number 1. BESTEK Power Inverter 300 watts. The BESTEK 300-watt power inverter is a top-rated RV gadget on Amazon for anyone needing reliable power on the go. This compact device converts DC battery power into AC electricity, providing two 110-volt outlets and two smart USB ports. It is perfect for charging laptops, tablets, and cameras while you are driving between campsites. Yet with its built-in cooling fan and multi-protection safety system, it is an essential piece of RV gear for keeping your tech powered safely. Number 2. FOCSPROD RV Shower Head with Hose Upgrade. Your bathroom experience with the FOCSPROD RV Shower Head. Many stock RV showers have poor pressure, but this high-efficiency head uses a specialized internal structure to boost water velocity while saving up to 30% of your water supply. It features a convenient pause switch on the handle, which is vital for Navy showers to conserve your gray tank capacity. This is one of those RV gadgets that makes life on the road feel much more like home. Number 3. Camco Rhino 28-gallon RV Tote Tank. The Camco Rhino 28-gallon tote tank is a lifesaver for campers staying at sites without sewer hookups. Why? This heavy-duty portable tank allows you to empty your waste tanks and transport the contents to a dump station without having to move your entire rig. It features large, durable wheels and a sturdy handle for easy towing. For long-term stays, this is an essential RV gadget on Amazon that saves you time and prevents messy situations. Number 4. 3-in-1 RVcare Rubber Seal Conditioner. Maintain your rig's longevity with the 3-in-1 RVcare Rubber Seal Conditioner. Slide-out seals are prone to drying and cracking over time, leading to expensive leaks and repairs. This specialized foam formula creates a water-resistant barrier that protects against UV rays and extreme weather. It is incredibly easy to apply and keeps your seals pliable and quiet. Using this regularly is a smart way to protect your investment with high-quality RV gadgets designed for maintenance. Number 5. ONNAIS Full Metal RV Keyless Entry Door Lock. Upgrade your security with the ONNAIS Full Metal Keyless Entry Door Lock. This heavy-duty lock allows you to enter your RV using a backlit keypad, a remote key fob, or a traditional key. It is perfect for those who hate carrying keys while hiking or swimming. The all-metal construction provides superior durability compared to plastic alternatives. This is one of the best RV gadgets on Amazon for peace of mind and modern convenience. Number 6. Kohree 25-foot RV Water Hose. The Kohree 25-foot RV water hose is engineered specifically for drinking water safety. Unlike standard garden hoses, this one is lead-free, BPA-free, and phthalate-free, ensuring your water stays fresh and tastes great. It is made from a hybrid material that remains flexible even in freezing temperatures and resists kinking under pressure. For anyone prioritizing health and reliability, this durable hose is a fundamental piece of RV gear for every road trip you take. Number 7. DEPSUNNY Adjustable Aluminum RV Step Stability is key when entering and exiting your rig, and the DEPSUNNY Adjustable Aluminum RV Step delivers exactly that. This heavy-duty platform features 4 adjustable legs to level itself on uneven terrain, preventing slips and falls. The non-slip surface and reflective strips provide extra safety during the night. It is lightweight yet supports up to 1,000 pounds, making it a rugged and reliable RV gadget on Amazon for any type of camper. Number 8. DEPSUNNY 200-watt battery power inverter. If you need a portable power solution for smaller electronics, the DEPSUNNY 200-watt battery power inverter is a fantastic choice. It plugs directly into your vehicle's cigarette lighter and provides a steady flow of electricity for your essential devices. With built-in USB ports and a standard AC outlet, it is versatile enough for almost any road trip scenario. Its compact design means it fits easily in your glove box, making it a convenient RV gadget. Number 9. STMOUTUO RV Water Pressure Regulator. Protect your plumbing with the STMOUTUO RV Water Pressure Regulator. Campground water pressure can be unpredictable and often high enough to burst your RV's internal pipes. This adjustable regulator features a clear, easy-to-read gauge, allowing you to set the perfect pressure for your rig. Made from lead-free brass, it is durable and safe for drinking water. This is an inexpensive RV gadget on Amazon that can save you thousands in potential water damage. Number 10. Camco No Insect RV Bumper Cap. Keep pests out of your storage areas with the Camco No Insect RV Bumper Cap. Standard bumper caps often fall off or leave gaps where bees and rodents can enter and nest. These specialized caps feature small vents that allow for airflow while blocking insects from entering your hollow bumper. They are designed with a squeeze grip handle for easy removal and a secure fit. It is a simple but brilliant RV gadget for protection. Number 11. MotorX Portable Tire Inflator. Low tire pressure can decrease fuel efficiency and cause dangerous blowouts. The MotorX Portable Tire Inflator is a powerful, cordless device that allows you to top off your RV or tow vehicle tires anywhere. It features a digital display for precise pressure settings and an automatic shutoff function to prevent overinflation. This compact, rechargeable tool is one of those RV gadgets on Amazon that provides essential safety and convenience for long-distance drivers. Number 12. OLANLY Memory Foam Bath Mat. Comfort meets functionality with the OLANLY Memory Foam Bath Mat. This ultra-absorbent mat is perfect for small RV bathrooms, providing a soft place to step after a shower while drying your feet instantly. The non-slip bottom ensures it stays in place even when the floor is wet. Its quick-drying fabric prevents mold and mildew buildup in humid environments. It is a small upgrade that makes your RV feel much more luxurious and comfortable. Number 13. Yakry Wireless RV Backup Camera. Eliminate blind spots with the Yakry Wireless RV Backup Camera. Backing up a large rig can be stressful, but this high-definition system provides a crystal-clear view of everything behind you. The wireless signal is strong and stable, even at highway speeds, and the monitor attaches easily to your dashboard. With night vision and a wide-angle lens, this is an essential RV gadget on Amazon for any driver looking to improve their safety and confidence. Number 14. OpenGlass Van Mods. OpenGlass Van Mods are revolutionary for van lifers looking to increase visibility and natural light. These high-quality window inserts are designed to fit perfectly into your van's body, providing a sleek factory look while offering superior insulation. They are perfect for converting a cargo van into a livable space or simply upgrading an older model. This is a premium RV gadget on Amazon for those who want to transform their interior aesthetic and functionality. Number 15. UBeesize Starlink Mini Tripod. Mount for digital nomads using Starlink for internet. The UBeesize Starlink Mini Tripod mount is a must-have accessory. This sturdy, adjustable tripod allows you to position your satellite dish perfectly for a clear line of sight to the sky, even on uneven ground. It is lightweight and folds down for easy storage in your exterior compartments. This is one of the best RV gadgets on Amazon for ensuring you stay connected while camping in remote areas. Number 16. Payne Seismic RV Swivel Desk. Turn your favorite chair into a workstation with the Payne Seismic RV Swivel Desk. This clever accessory attaches to your RV furniture and provides a stable surface for your laptop, meals, or books. It features a 360-degree swivel, so you can move it out of the way easily when you need to stand up. For those working from the road, this is a brilliant RV gadget on Amazon that maximizes your living space. Number 17. Hapytrip 4 in 112-volt USB outlet. Modernize your dashboard with the Hapytrip 4 in 112-volt USB outlet. This multifunctional panel includes a high-speed USB-C port, a standard USB port, a cigarette lighter socket, and a digital voltmeter. It allows you to monitor your battery health in real time while charging all your devices simultaneously. It is easy to install and adds a professional, high-tech look to your RV's interior. This is a practical and affordable RV gadget on Amazon. Number 18. Sandmine Waterproof Outdoor Rug. Keep the dirt outside where it belongs with the Sandmine Waterproof Outdoor Rug. This large reversible mat is made from breathable polypropylene that won't damage the grass at your campsite. It is incredibly easy to clean. Just hose it off and let it air dry. The stylish design adds a touch of personality to your outdoor patio area. For many travelers, this is an essential RV gadget on Amazon for creating a clean living space. Number 19. Tymate TM7 TPMS. The Tymate TM7 tire pressure monitoring system provides real-time data for your peace of mind. This system includes sensors for all your tires, sending instant pressure and temperature alerts to a solar-powered dashboard display. It helps you catch leaks and overheating before they lead to a dangerous blowout. For anyone driving a large motorhome or towing a heavy trailer, this is a critical RV gadget on Amazon for long-term safety and vehicle maintenance. Number 20. DeftGet 163-piece first aid kit. Safety should always come first, and the deftget 163-piece first aid kit ensures you are prepared for any minor emergency. This comprehensive kit includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, scissors, and a multi-tool, all organized in a compact, durable carrying case. It is small enough to fit in a drawer, but complete enough to handle common injuries on the trail or at camp. This is an essential RV gadget on Amazon for every responsible traveler. Number 21. RecPro RV Air Conditioner. Stay cool during the hottest summer months with a RecPro RV Air Conditioner. These units are designed for maximum efficiency and quiet operation, ensuring you get a good night's sleep without the roar of a traditional AC. They are built to withstand the vibrations of the road and are easy to install as a replacement for older, less efficient models. Investing in high-quality RV gadgets like this can make summer travel much more enjoyable. Number 22. Soctone Telescoping Ladder. The Soctone Telescoping Ladder is a space-saving miracle for RV owners. It extends to its full height for roof maintenance and collapses down to just a few inches for easy storage in your basement compartments. Made from high-strength aluminum, it is both lightweight and incredibly sturdy. Whether you are clearing debris from your slide-outs or checking your solar panels, this is a versatile and essential RV gadget on Amazon for any rig. Number 23. RecPro RV Awning Fabric Replacement. Don't let a torn awning ruin your shade. The RecPro RV Awning Fabric Replacement allows you to refresh your outdoor space without replacing the entire mechanism. Made from heavy-duty vinyl, this fabric is weather-resistant and designed to provide years of protection from the sun and rain. It comes in various colors to match your rig's aesthetic. This is a cost-effective RV gadget on Amazon for maintaining your RV's exterior and comfort levels. Number 24. Kohree RV Storage Organizer. Organize your exterior storage bays with the Kohree RV Storage Organizer bags. These color-coded bags are perfect for separating your fresh water hoses, electrical cables, and sewer accessories. The mesh tops allow for airflow, preventing moisture and odors from building up inside. By keeping your gear organized, you save time during setup and teardown at every campsite. These are simple but incredibly effective RV gadgets on Amazon for a stress-free travel experience. Number 25. Temdan Multi-Charging Cable for RV. Simplify your cable management with the Temdan Multi-Charging Cable. This 3-in-1 cable features Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB connectors, allowing you to charge almost any device with a single cord. It is perfect for the limited outlet space in an RV. The braided nylon exterior is extra durable, standing up to the wear and tear of life on the road. This is a tiny but mighty RV gadget on Amazon for any tech-heavy traveler. Number 26. Camco Trailer Aid Plus Ramp. The Camco Trailer Aid Plus is a must-have for anyone towing a dual-axle trailer. If you get a flat tire, you simply pull the good tire onto this ramp to lift the flat tire off the ground for easy changing. It eliminates the need for heavy, dangerous jacks on the side of the road. This is one of the most highly recommended RV gadgets on Amazon for safety and emergency preparedness during your travels. Pub on. Number 27. Bruin Kitchen Knife Set. Every RV chef needs a good set of tools, and the Bruin Kitchen Knife Set is perfect for small spaces. These high-quality stainless steel knives come with protective sheaths, making them safe to store in a moving drawer. They are sharp, durable, and ergonomically designed for comfortable use. Having a dedicated set of kitchen RV gadgets makes preparing meals at the campsite much more enjoyable and efficient for the whole family to enjoy. Number 28. ZOUPW 100 watts portable solar panel. Harness the power of the sun with the ZOUPW 100 watts portable solar panel. This foldable, high-efficiency panel is perfect for keeping your batteries topped off while dry camping or boondocking. It features built-in legs for easy positioning and multiple output ports for direct device charging. It is lightweight and folds into a compact carry bag for easy storage. This is an eco-friendly and practical RV gadget on Amazon for off-grid adventures and sustainable travel. Number 29. Safener RV Roof Vent Insulator Cover. Regulate your interior temperature with the Safener RV Roof Vent Insulator. This thick, reflective foam block fits perfectly into your standard 14-inch roof vents, blocking out heat in the summer and trapping warmth in the winter. It also helps block out early morning sunlight for a better sleep. This is a very affordable RV gadget on Amazon that makes a huge difference in your overall comfort and helps reduce your energy consumption significantly. family. Number 30. FreeHiker Portable Camping Utensil Set. The FreeHiker Portable Camping Utensil Set keeps all your cooking tools in one organized pouch. This kit includes a spatula, tongs, a cutting board, and more, all made from durable stainless steel. It is perfect for outdoor grilling or cooking inside your small RV kitchen. The compact carrying case prevents clutter and ensures you always have the right tool for the job. This is a classic and essential RV gadget on Amazon for every camper. Number 31. Funimo RV Door Window Shade. Get the privacy you deserve with the Funimo RV Door Window Shade. Most RV door windows are clear, allowing anyone to see inside your rig at night. This easy-to-install shade uses Velcro or snaps to provide total blackout coverage in seconds. It also helps reflect heat away from your door, keeping your interior cooler. This is a simple, effective RV gadget on Amazon that adds security and comfort to your living space instantly. Number 32. Safener. Adjustable RV Screen Door. Grill. Protect your screen door from pets and children with the Safener Adjustable RV Screen Door Grill. This sturdy aluminum bar provides a solid handle for closing the door while adding a protective barrier to the delicate mesh. It adjusts to fit almost any standard RV door and is incredibly easy to install. This is one of those RV gadgets on Amazon that prevents expensive damage and adds structural integrity to your rig's high-traffic areas. Number 33. Wellock RV Sewer Hose Support. Ensure a smooth flow with the Wellock RV Sewer Hose Support. This accordion-style stand keeps your sewer hose off the ground and at a consistent downward angle, preventing clogs and buildup. It is designed to navigate around obstacles and stay stable even on uneven terrain. This is a vital RV gadget on Amazon for maintaining a sanitary and efficient waste system, making it a must-have for any camper with a bathroom. Number 34. InnoPower 20,000 mAh. Rechargeable fan. Stay cool anywhere with the InnoPower 20,000 mAh rechargeable fan. This powerful portable fan can run for up to 60 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for nights spent without hookups. It features a built-in LED lantern and a hook for hanging from your ceiling or awning. It even works as a power bank to charge your phone in an emergency. This is a versatile and highly rated RV gadget on Amazon for summer. Number 35. Fistihan RV Clothes Drying Rack. The Fistihan RV Clothes Drying Rack is perfect for drying towels and swimsuits after a day at the lake. It attaches easily to your RV's ladder or bumper, providing plenty of space for wet items without cluttering up your interior. It is made from rust-resistant materials and folds flat for storage when not in use. This is a practical and convenient RV gadget on Amazon that helps keep your rig dry and organized. Number 36. Gintan Camping. Cutting board. Maximize your counter space with the Gintan Camping Cutting Board. This multifunctional tool works as a cutting board, a washing basin, and a storage basket all in one. It collapses down for easy storage in a drawer or cabinet. It is perfect for prepping vegetables or washing dishes in a small RV sink. And this is a brilliant space-saving RV gadget on Amazon that every mobile kitchen needs for better efficiency and less clutter. And there you have it, 36 of the must-have RV gadgets on Amazon every RV driver should own. Whether you are looking for safety, comfort, or better organization, these RV gadgets are sure to make your next road trip a success. If you saw something you liked, all the product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more RV gear reviews, and tell us in the comments which RV gadget is your favorite. Happy travels, and we'll see you on the open road.